Here are 10 things you should never do before bed if you want a good night's rest. Number 10, exercise. Exercise is good for our health and well being, but you seriously do not want to do a quick jog or sit up right before you go to bed, especially if you are very sensitive to the adrenaline rush that comes after it. Strenuous activities make it difficult for a lot of people to sleep, and even though it was formerly thought that doing a little exercise before sleeping is healthy, recent studies have shown that this is nothing but a myth. So, if you think that a quick exercise before bedtime will exhaust you and usher you into a deep and peaceful sleep, the only thing it would actually do is to keep you more awake because the movement stimulates both your body and your mind. Number 9, work. This one is kind of similar to the exercise. While that makes your body more active, this makes your mind more active, making it difficult for you to unwind. Think about this. You are trying to get a good night's sleep, and all you can think about is the report due for the next morning because your brain is still active and processing the last activity you engaged in, which in this case is work. Number 8, eat. Good eating habits are not just beneficial to your health or your weight loss journey, but they also play a great role in how well or not you sleep at night. Therefore, be watchful of what you eat before bed. Eating heavy meals right before bed is basically inviting trouble to your bed because this gives you digestion problems. Number 7, take alcohol. There is a myth that alcohol makes you sleep better, probably because it makes you drowsy and quick to fall deep asleep. As a result, many people choose to take a glass or two before going to bed. But that is not advisable because it significantly reduces the time you spend in REM sleep. During REM sleep, our brains help to consolidate our memories, so if you are wondering why you are forgetting so many things, it might be because of that drink you took before bed. Number 6, looking at screens. Let's admit it, we are all addicted to our phones, iPads, TVs, and anything that has a screen, really. The truth is, technology is now so easy to reach and now very engaging that it has become our major source of entertainment and communication. But it has also proven to be a great distraction. It is almost impossible not to run to our phones once we hear a notification sound. This is not necessarily bad, but it becomes really harmful when we decide to take these gadgets with us to bed. Ideally, you should keep your electronic gadgets away from you at least 2 hours before you go to bed, and also silence your notifications while you are asleep. Number 5, argue. This one is not entirely in your control, but as much as you can, try to avoid it. Living with your family, spouse, or friends can be challenging at times, and you just know that sometimes disagreements will happen when it is least expected or at the wrong timing. Anger is a healthy emotion, quite alright, but if not handled properly, it can cause so much havoc to both your relationships and your health. Number 4, worrying. Life can be difficult, yes, but you should not take such thoughts to bed. If your mind is going haywire with worries about life issues, try to direct the energy to something else. You can learn a good routine of unwinding at the end of a stressful day with things like yoga, mantras, meditation, or other related activities that will help you relax better. This may not solve any of your problems, but it definitely will ensure none is added to it, like insomnia or other sleep related deficiencies. Number 3, take medications. If you are going through health issues that require you to constantly take pills or supplements, and you have noticed that you are starting to have trouble sleeping, you might want to consult your doctor. Sometimes, taking certain medications so close to your bedtime can interrupt your sleep. Visit your doctor to confirm if certain medications are keeping you awake or alert and what you can do about them. A good example of these types of drugs are antidepressants, which have strong effects on sleep one way or the other. Some pain relief medications also have the same effects on your sleep, usually by causing some form of stomach upset. Number 2. Drink coffee. The dangers of taking coffee close to bedtime cannot be overemphasized. True, the effects are quite amazing during the daytime as it helps with alertness, but the reverse is the case when taken in the night. It can be extremely harmful. If you are really craving coffee after dinner, try to shake off the craving until the morning. Research shows that coffee stays in your system for at least 10 hours. So, it's best to only take them in the morning, get the boost you need for the day, and then wait until the next morning before having another cup. Number 1. Drink excess water. Drinking water is essential for living, but drinking too much water right before bed is actually not beneficial. Of course, we understand the importance of staying hydrated, but drinking excess will have a negative impact on you and your sleep. First, if you take too much water before going to bed, it means that you also would have to wake up a lot of times in the middle of the time to go and pee, and all of these journeys to the bathroom will negatively affect your sleep. There you go. 10 things you should never do before bed. If you enjoyed the video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to turn on the bell notification so you get notified when we upload a new video. And we will see you guys in the next video. Thank you very much for watching.